In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create horror music inside of Riffusion. It is super easy to do, so the first thing you need to do is open up Riffusion like you usually would. Then from here you need to go over to prompt, or up here where it says prompt or compose. Then you need to delete your previous prompt, of course, and click in the horror music prompt. And if you don't already have any prompts for making horror music, I have a bunch of them linked down in the description down below. So let's create some horror music. We wanted to have a dark ambient. We need to have low strings, ambient noise. We want to have some dark choir, and we need it to be 4x4 and about 35 to 45 beats per minute. When you're done that, you can either select instrumental or not. If you're not going to do instrumental, Riffusion will generate some random lyrics for your song, which kind of sounds awful in my honest opinion. So I'm going to choose instrumental and click generate. And then Riffusion is going to create these two horror music samples or beats or whatever you will call it, tracks. And we can take a listen to them when you're done. And now for the next one. That sounds very creepy indeed. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!